Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from M.H. Language Solutions. Well, in IELTS, some of the topics, they are very common. They are often repeated again and again. For example, environment is one of these topics that is repeated quite often. And today we are going to talk about environment safety or environment protection. I'll be discussing some ideas that you can use in your speaking, and you can also use those ideas if you get the same kind of topic in your writing. It will help you to speak efficiently, or it can also help you to write in a perfect way, because when you have ideas, you can easily write about the topic that you are discussing. So let's begin. The first idea in this regard is recycling. We are using a lot of plastic bottles every day, glass bottles, then tin cans, and so many other things. Instead of throwing them away, there should be a process so that all these things, they can be recycled and turned into something productive. Because by making these things again from scratch, it costs a lot of energy and it is hazardous for the environment. But if we recycle them, then obviously we can protect the environment. Secondly, we need to switch ourselves toward energy efficient devices. For example, we can use energy saving LCDs, we can use energy efficient bulbs, we can use energy efficient ACs. All these devices, they use less energy as compared to traditional devices. When electricity is produced, then a lot of carbon dioxide, a lot of carbon monoxide goes into the atmosphere. Why? Because electricity is mostly being produced from fuel or from coal. If we use less electricity, if we use the products which are using less energy, then obviously we are helping to save the environment. Therefore, the second step in this regard is to switch toward energy efficient resources. The third idea is to encourage people to walk or to use bicycle. It has been observed that to cover small distances, people are now, they are using their motorbikes or they are using their cars. When a car, it runs on the road, and when a bike comes on the road, obviously it is producing carbon monoxide. And if you are doing it excessively, if you're doing it for no reason, then you are harming the environment. Instead of that, it is better to cover small distances by foot or by using a bicycle. It is environment friendly and it will also make you healthier. Fourthly, we need to reduce the waste that we are producing in our homes. All the green waste, for example, that you produce in your home, it can be turned into compost, which is a fertilizer that can be used to make your plants healthier. You can use that fertilizer to feed your plants and they will be happy. Similarly, instead of using the plastic shopping bags, you can shift yourself toward the cloth bags so that you can use them again and again. So try to use the waste that you produce at your home and try to reduce the waste that you are having at your home, and in this way you are helping the atmosphere. Another step in this regard is to plant more and more trees. Trees are actually lungs of nature. We need to strengthen them. On the other hand, we are doing the opposite. We are cutting trees to use them as fuel. We are cutting them to make furniture. We are cutting them to make housing schemes. We need to stop it. We need to grow more and more trees so that the environment is good again, so that the lungs are healthier and we get rid of smoke, we get rid of bad air, and we improve our air quality. Last step in this regard is to save water. We waste a lot of water. For example, we are washing cars with water, we are washing our houses, our floors with water, and we are doing it by using excessive amount of water. As a result of it, the water table is getting lower and lower. We need to pass that water to our future generations. So that is why we need to save the water. If we are saving the water, then we are saving the environment. My dear students, in today's lecture, I have covered 6 different ideas that you can use to talk about environment protection. I hope today's lecture was a help. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Allah Hafiz.